Okay, today we are doing a demonstration on the Amana 2100 watt commercial microwave. This is our eBay number 400-390-454-369. We're going to demonstrate boiling water and popcorn and show some of the different settings on that, and that the microwave is in excellent working order. So here we go. We're going to start with regular tap water in a glass Pyrex cup here. And it's going to take approximately about a minute and a half to bring the water to a rapid boil. This is about 2 cups of water here. When you open the door, the light comes on, the fan motor immediately comes on. And it is a little bit louder than what a normal microwave would be. Again, it's made for commercial applications. It has more power, more wattage. As to be expected, it is a little louder than a normal one, but in a normal busy restaurant setting, this is just a drop in the hat to noise coming out of the kitchen. Okay, we're starting to see the bubbles at about a minute and 30 seconds, and already achieved the rapid boil. It's going to cut off. The fan still runs, the light's on. We had boiling water. Next, we're going to demonstrate using microwave popcorn. Now, this is just your regular standard microwave popcorn, so it's gonna cook pretty fast in this commercial microwave. And after it's done cooking, it will take about 30 seconds to a minute, and the microwave will go into a power save mode. The fan will continue running until then. And there it goes, it just shut off. Now, this item is in excellent condition. It's stainless steel construction. It was brand new without the box, manufactured, I believe it was July of 2010. It was purchased for a restaurant that never got past the permitting stage and never put into use. I say it was new without the box. We had a customer purchase it and return it because it didn't seem like they were accustomed to a commercial microwave. It might have just been more than what they needed. But on the return, it has a few scratches on the top, and there is now a dent on the side here. It's kind of hard to make out. It's right here, no protruding. Trying to see if I can get it to pick up, but there is a little dent on the side there. Again, doesn't affect the operation. This machine is super clean. It's like new, or new with those additional terms there or details added. And this thing is ready to go and to be put into use in your commercial application. You need a 220 plug for this, 220 amp plug, and that's it.